Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to do your digital notebook and put it into your Algebra 1 folder. So as you can see here, I am on my drive right here, and I see my 2020 Algebra 1 folder, which you guys have all hopefully made. I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, I see Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and then no digital notebook. So just remember, within each unit, you have to have an asynchronous and assessments folder. So I'm going to go to the digital notebook, and so it's the one that I got from Canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this, and I don't like when I see copy of. I also like having my name attached to everything. So Algebra Digital Notebook, and it is Dingus. So I don't want to save it just in my drive. I want to save it into the Algebra 1 folder. So I'm going to go to my drive, double click, and then I see this one. I did highlight it in purple. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm not going to put it in any unit. I just put it right there, and it should open up. So now I actually don't really need the first page. So now I have my notebook. As you can see, here's Unit 1, all right, Teamwork, Noticing and Wonder, or Notice and Wonder, Estimation. And then Unit 2 is going to be Classification, Argument and Proof, and Equation. So we're going to use this notebook throughout the semester. That is why it's not in a specific unit. Now, on the first page of your Unit 1, I'm going to do group roles. Okay, so that's where I'm going to go. It's on Canvas. You're going to go to your group roles right here, and I am going to snip it. Now, my snipping tool is different than yours, so hopefully you can copy and paste it, but I will say snipping is a tool that we will need in this class. So I'm going to snip it here. Mine pops up. All I do is copy it, and then I go to my digital notebook, and I paste it. Okay, I go back to the group role so I can do the second one. All right. So snip this, copy, and paste. You can make it look a little more pretty if you would like. Time purposes, I'm just going to leave it like that. So when I go back to my Algebra 1 folder, it is right there. Okay, so when I click on your Algebra 1 folder, I should see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your notebook. If I go back to my folder, this is where you share it. You're going to right click on here and then go to share with me. All right, so you're sharing your entire Algebra 1 folder with me. Thank you very much.